Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to format your code. So basically how to pick your code format, that's what I'm going to show you today in today's tutorial. First of all guys, I will need you to install Visual Studio Code. So we need to get it through our browser. So go to your browser, whatever browser you have. For example, for me I'm using Google Chrome, you can use whatever thing you'd have, and then go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code. After that guys, please don't make any mistake between these two logos. In this tutorial we are using the bluish logo, which is Visual Studio Code, and the other logo is for a similar program with completely different task, which is called Visual Studio. So in today's tutorial guys, once more we are using Visual Studio Code. So let's go here and click on Visual Studio Code, and here you will find this official website. So here you can click on download for Windows to install it for your on your PC if you have Windows, here for Mac OS, and here for Linux. After that, you just have to install it. This is just the normal process of installation in the program. And for those who doesn't know how to install it, you can check my other video. I've recorded everything about how to download it and etc. Now let's go back to Visual Studio. Now how to actually choose the format of our code. It is pretty simple. So once you create a file, so there's multiple options of files. So let's create a new text file. If you went here and you create a new text file, you will have here, before you write anything, this option. So select a language or open different editor or something like that, don't show again. So here I'm going to choose select a language, and basically here you can choose the format of this file. So let's pick for example C sharp. As you can see, it has been translated to C sharp, and for you to start working with C sharp, you have to install the extension. So you can go here and install it, or you can just go to your recommendation and you will find it over here. Now how to change the file again, or the format code again, you can just go to new file, and here you will find for example the languages that you have in your PC. So for me I have Python file, so I can click on Python and it will create a format code of Python. So yeah guys, that's how you can create a format code. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.